Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Hi, my name is Shiana. For today's video, I am doing a makeup look including the new Mercier holiday collection. I've been kind enough to send this to me, so this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. I just wanted to do a look with the items that they have sent me because they're just so freaking pretty. If you're interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I feel like it's been so long since I've gotten on here and talked with you guys. I'm doing a makeup look for the first time on camera, but I'm gonna be using all of the new Mercier holiday collection that they have sent me. So first I'm starting with my Milk Hydro Grip Face Primer. And I just use a pump to a pump and a half for my entire face. And I just rub that all in. So Mercier launched face, eyes, and highlight and the lips collection too as well. So you'll get to see me use all of that. For this look, I'm doing something super simple because the eyeshadow palette that they have in this collection is super pretty and super like natural. So I'm going to be doing a nice soft natural look with this eyeshadow. I also have the eye crayon set and I'll be using a few of those as well. Now that I have primed my skin, I'm gonna kind of lightly fill in my eyebrows. I don't really like a heavy brow here lately, just because it's just not something I've been interested in. I feel like I haven't had an opportunity to talk to you guys in such a long time. Like, I have been lacking in my video productivity. I've been trying to balance both YouTube and Instagram, and I've come to realize that it's just really one or the other that you want to really focus on. And I've kind of decided that I'm not gonna lack in YouTube as much as I have previously. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my base and stuff. For my face, I do like to kind of go in and pre-conceal, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, just to kind of get rid of some of my discoloration in my face and just to kind of give me more evenness, because I'm not going to use a huge full coverage foundation today because I'm just not in the mood for it. But this is my Shape Tape concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and I just kind of put this everywhere where I have my discoloration and like dark spots and stuff. And while that is like kind of setting, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my lid for my eyeshadow primer. I also am using a new light. I wonder how you guys think, or let me know what you think of my new light that I have, if you feel like it's giving you true to tone. I like it just because it's a little warmer. But like, there's been so much that's gone on in life right now. Like I said, I have been lacking in like my YouTube element and everything like that, just due to like life got the best of me last month and I haven't been able to come back from it really. I lost my stepdad. Most people don't know because I don't really advertise that. Last month, actually the day after my birthday, he passed away from colon cancer, and me and my mom have just been kind of like getting through life and trying to cope and still handle everything that needs to be handled. But my life has been super busy. I don't want to go into detail because that's a part of my life that I don't necessarily have to or want to express on social media all the time. So now I'm just taking my Mercier setting powder and just setting my eyelids, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on. this is foundation I'm going to be using. It's just the tinted moisturizer from Mercier. It's actually really nice because it's very sheer, and it's super hydrating as well. And I don't really want a lot of face makeup on, so I just squeeze a little bit out. This is actually kind of too much, but it also is sheer, so you have to think about a little doesn't go as far as if you were to use a lot for a full coverage foundation. Like, do y'all see that? It looked like a lot, but it wasn't. And I really just like this because I don't really, like I said, I haven't been in the mood for a heavy full coverage foundation. And the tinted moisturizer literally just does its job, especially when you put a powder on. Also like to use the Mercier concealer with it because it does help maximize more coverage when I'm going for a lighter look. I'm using the 35N from Mercier. This is the Flawless Fusion Longwear concealer. And this one is kind of close to my skin tone because I'll go in with a lighter one, like a brighter one underneath my eye. I have just been managing my life and just trying to focus on the things that matter right now. And honestly, I hate to say it, but YouTube and Instagram both have not been top priority, and I'm not gonna apologize for it because, like I said, life has happened and there's other priorities in my life that I have to focus on. But I am being more diligent and trying to get back into making it a priority. Again, it's just I haven't had time. Life is about balance, and I have been making sure that I am on the right track for balancing my life and doing it how I want to. And like I said, I'm getting back on track about that, but I haven't came up with a plan on the best way to do that for myself. So basically, right, that's what I'm working on, is a schedule to get myself in order and focus on what I want to focus on. I'm taking my Mercier setting powder and just setting my entire face. But I promise I'm gonna do better when it comes to content and my YouTube content, because for sure I want to make sure that I'm getting that out there for you guys. So now that my base is done, I'm going to go in with the Rose Pirouettes highlights. This is also from the holiday collection as well. Super pretty, super goldeny. I'm gonna be using like a really fluffy highlighting brush because I don't know if this is like more champagne-y rose or if this is, oh, this is gorgeous. Do y'all see that? Mercier might have just outdid herself again. Alright, so this is the cheek palette from the holiday collection. It is the opening night cheek palette with the colors Audition, Matinee, and Curtain Call. I'm assuming that that's this one's Audition, this one's Matinee, and this one's Curtain Call. And I'm sorry, with the lighting it looks like a different color when the light hits it, but this is what the true to tone color looks like of these shades, which is super gorgeous. I am gonna use the blush and probably mix it with a little bit of Curtain Call. And I do like to make my blush more not squared but triangled in a way, so I can like give myself a higher cheekbone. That's the illusion. Right now I'm using my Morphe face palette, the Totally Tan, and this is what it looks like. I'm using my bronzer shade right here, and I'm just kind of chiseling out my hairline and contour This is what I meant when I said I was making a more triangular shape with my blush, because I put my blush here, and I put my bronzer here, so it's like a triangle. You got your bronzer, your highlight, and then your blush right in the middle. That's kind of how I do my guide on my cheeks. Your girl also got her nails done. I want to show these off because they're so freaking cute and it feels so good. So this is a close-up of what my skin is looking like. All nice and bronzed and highlighted. So now that the face is done, we're gonna move on to the eyes. So in the holiday collection, they put 4 of their caviar sticks, which is their cream stick eyeshadows. So you've got magnetic pink, you've got Au Naturel, and then also you have Intense Moonlight and Rose Gold. This is Rose Gold, and what it looks like. Intense Moonlight, I'm definitely using it because it's like a champagne taupe. Au Naturel, which is a matte taupe, like nudish color. Last one is Magnetic Pink, and it's like a baby pink. If you want to see like swatches and everything like that, I did a PR swatch on my Instagram, so you can follow me on there if you're not already following me on Instagram. For the shadow, this is the palette that I already showed you guys. It is mainly shimmers, so I'm probably going to use a few mattes from a different palette. I'll be using this brown from the Juvia's Place the Nudes palette, just because it has a good brown in it. And I needed something that's going to be good for a transitional color, because that's all I'm pretty much going to be using it for. So I'm just taking this and I'm putting it directly into my creasing, kind of buffing it out a little. Now that I've applied that to my crease, I'm gonna go in with the palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, Balancori, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what it looks that's what it looks like it is. They're kind of also upside down too, so I wouldn't be able to, so I guess I'm looking at it like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this all over my lid. So I'm just kind of placing this all over my lid, because I've learned if you do your darker color first and then go in and intensify it with your lighter color, it looks 10 times better, I promise you. And I know you can't really tell, but it's like a purpley kind of maroonish color. It's super neutral though, that's the plus side to this. So I'm gonna go in with this purple right here first, and I'm gonna, oh wow, look at that, look at that. Do y'all freaking see that shimmer? What I do is I drag this lighter color into the crease to kind of give the illusion that I've cut the crease, but I really haven't. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this white in my inner corner. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is smoke out the bottom with a little bit of the deeper purple, and then I'm gonna bring this purple here. Now I'm going in with my mascara, and I'm gonna put my lashes on as well, and then we're gonna come back and do lips. I've done my mascara. I've decided that I'm not gonna do lashes just because my lashes have gotten so freaking long. Like, Do y'all see that? I mean, that is growth. I'm gonna use, y'all should already know, the lip liner, but it's my KKW lip liner, and I'm gonna use it with the Laura Mercier, I think it's Plumberry. Yes, this is like my favorite go-to combination anyway, but I'm gonna put one of the glosses that they sent in from the holiday collection. I'm gonna use one of those on top just to kind of give me a nice glossy lip. Really so pretty. So I'm gonna put this really sparkly pink gloss on top. It's rose gold accent, just because I'm obsessed with this color. Like, it just literally keeps calling out my name. Y'all see that? Y'all see that glitter? Oh yeah. Alright, so now that my makeup is done, literally, quickest look ever. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look. I enjoyed creating it. It's super simple, super clean cut, to the point. I didn't want to make anything dramatic for you guys because I know y'all like simple tutorials. It's one look that you can recreate using the Laura Mercier products or any other products that you already have. Just a simple eyeshadow look. That is it for this video. Make sure to comment down below what you thought. Don't forget to like and share as well. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.